What's up guys, DJI FPV here. Look at my obnoxious charging situation. 4S LiPo battery, like a car charging thing, out 5 volt because my phone is dying. Am I still recording? Yeah. So I haven't been uploading in a while. Was studying all day long and now during the corona situation I have some free time flying. I will be doing a 3 kilometer push today with the DJI system. I've done like a 2.5 kilometer run. And I'm so amazed about the range and overall picture quality. Yeah, this is my quad. I won't go too much into detail because otherwise this video will explode and will take probably 2.5 hours. Running a naked GoPro, gonna do a follow-up video as I've said already. Took a Hero 6 apart, running a step down 5 volt directly out of the main power lead. 6S Pololo for the Air Unit. 2207 FlyWoo 1750 kV, running a GPS enabled rescue mode in Betaflight 4.1. Works flawlessly for me. Not tried it with RX loss because I'm running Crossfire on 500 milliwatts and I'm in Mexico, so I'm allowed to. And yeah, switch it in to return to home and it works flawlessly. Batteries Tattu 1300 version 3, 6S, 212 grams, so it's kind of heavy, but the range is amazing. So yeah. Let's see, and I'm on my own, so not ideal. And I need to fly around some houses, around like, I don't know, 2 kilometers out. There's a paranoid dog and he's like crazy. So I don't want to mess with those people. And also it's private property, so I don't want to go down there. Switch on the Air Unit. FuriousFPV Racepit has the ability to put a power switch on here. Let's see if I'm recording actually. So. Goodbye little quad. Let's push this. 200 meters out. Still 99% RSSI, obviously. 350 meters, 11 satellites, 60 kilometers an hour. Let me quickly check for people. Oop, all good. So now I'm reaching these trees, so I need to get some altitude, otherwise signal might break off. Approaching the 1 kilometer mark, 3 bars, 11 satellites. $200 milliamp hours pulled, 12 amps. Flying around those peoples. One and 1.3 kilometers out, there's a tractor, which is also not ideal. 1.5, 99% RSSI. Battery 1.7. What the fuck is this? This is scary flying alone. 99% RSSI. Let me do like a turnaround. No breakup. 2 kilometers. No issues. This is so amazing. I'm shaking. I need to turn around, otherwise the battery will be flat. No wind, so essentially this is not going to be an issue. Still 3 bars. Oh, 2 bars. Two and a half. So let's turn around. Gaining some altitude. Let's fly back. So 2.5 kilometers is kind of the
502 milliamp hours
maximum range for this quad. with 1300. Dude, I'm shaking, I'm so far away. Yeah, this might work out with the battery. 150 meters. Trying to avoid 11 satellites. 99% RSSI. 3 bars. 1.5 kilometers. There's something crawling up my pants. Kilometers an hour. 1 point. Check for soft target. One kilometer. So let's drop it. See? No breakup. 700 meters out. Directly into the sun, dude. And we are back home. Let's land this sucker. Dude! 2.5 kilometers. Need to put on an extra battery to push it out even further. No issues. Felt super confident doing that. Holy shit.